Check out this 2007 Volkswagen T. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are passenger vanity mirror, rear spoiler, turbocharged, tire pressure monitor, driver illuminated vanity mirror, integrated turn signal mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, passenger adjustable lumbar, and stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.